Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce you to our consultation platform, in which we will discuss how a user can book their appointment, how a consultant will accept the consultation request and fulfill the services. Along with this, we are going to discuss what are the features available on our consultant app and user app. So let's start. First, we are going to start with the user app. The user has to log in or sign up the account first with their details. As we can see, we have logged into the account. On top, we can see the discount coupons with the coupon details. Below that, we have the categories of consultant available on the platform. We have to select one according to our needs. Below consultant categories, we have the categories like home visit, consultant online, online class, and free expert advice. Then we have the latest blogs, articles related to healthcare, and health tools where the users can measure their BMI, water intake, protein intake, and pregnancy calculator. Beside home, there's a section of appointment where the users can view the previous appointment details. Then there's a chat section where the user can view the chat they had with the consultants. Lastly, there's a profile section where the user can view their name and age. After that, there's an account setting. User can view their phone number, date of birth, and can update it. Invite people with the shareable link, terms and condition, support, about us, packages, then log out. So this was all about the user app. Now we are moving on to the consultant app. To start, the consultant has to log into the account first with login credentials. On top, there are the article sections. Consultant can publish articles in their name and can also view articles published by others. Same with blogs. Then there's a health tool in which they have a BMI calculator, water intake calculator, protein intake calculator, and pregnancy calculator. Wallets in which we have details like available balance. Consultants can request payout from here and can also add money. By the side of wallets, there is a revenue section where the consultant can track the record of their revenue bifurcated with the sections, how much they earn from video calls, text conversations, phone calls, and actual visit consultations. With that, there's a number available for completed and unsuccessful appointments with total revenue made amount. Then we have a profile section in which we have account settings. Consultant can manage their availability, preferences, documents, and they can also update their category. Below that, there's a bio email, phone number, and date of birth of the consultant. They can also update the details. Then we have language selection option. Chat section to view the previous chats done by the users, history of the previously booked consultations, free expert advice received from experts will be shown here, classes if theirs are created by consultant, notifications, invite people, terms and conditions, support, about us. So lastly, we have logout section. This was all about consultant app. Let's move on to how user make a booking and a consultant fulfill the request. To make booking, the user has to first select the consultation type according to their needs. For instance, we are going to have an ortho services. Click on it and here we have the list of ortho doctors. We can select one of them depending on the experiences and reviews they have received for their previous services. To book a consultation, click on doctor profile. Detailed profile will be there where you can view the name of the doctor, reviews, experience, zip code, consultation fees, which varies according to the mode of consultation. Like for video call and phone call, it's same. For text, it's $50 and for actual visits, it's $1,000. For now, we are booking Mr. Carl John video consultation. Click here and then select consultation availing time. We are scheduling it for now. We have the booking details like date and time of the appointment, email of the doctor, phone number, apply coupon if we have any, price details, and confirm the booking. Once you confirm the booking, the consultant will receive the consultation request. By clicking on the request, they have a detailed view of the booking request with username, service type, date of the service, time of the service, and quoted price. Once the consultant accepts the request, the user will get notified. Now the consultation has to click the start button. To start the consultation, the user will get notified with the call. Once the user receives the call, the consultation is done. The doctor will mark it completed and it goes in the history for the consultant and user. Now the doctor shares a description with the user like medicine name, duration, dosage type, timing of the dosage, prescription notes, and click done. You can see after consultation, the consultation fees will be automatically added to the wallet. By this, the consultation process is completed. So this gives you the overview of both the user app and the consultation app. After watching the working of these two applications and feeling inspired to launch your own consultation app, we are here to help you. With over 5,000 satisfied clients worldwide, we are experts in software and app development. Contact us by clicking on the link given in the description. Fill up the form with your name, your email address, your contact number, and few details about your project. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.